Hey, have you ever dreamed of making money online but felt like it's too complicated, too risky, or just plain overwhelming? Maybe you've tried a few things, but nothing stuck. Well, what if I told you that you could start earning money online this week without quitting your job or needing a fancy degree? Stick around because I'm about to break it down for you in 3 minutes flat. Acknowledge the struggle. Let's be real, the idea of making money online sounds amazing, but it's easy to feel stuck. Maybe you don't know where to start, or you're worried about scams, or you just don't think you have the skills. Trust me, I've been there. But here's the truth. Making money online isn't about being perfect. It's about taking small, consistent steps. And the best part, you don't need to be a tech genius or have 1 million followers to get started. Core challenge and why it matters. So, why does this matter? Because let's face it, life is expensive. Whether you're saving for a dream vacation, paying off debt, or just want some extra cash for the things you love, having an online income can be a game changer. But the real challenge isn't finding opportunities, it's taking action. And that's where these life hacks come in. Simple framework or insight. Here's the secret. Making money online is all about leveraging what you already have, your skills, your time, and your creativity. Think of it like this. You're not building a mansion overnight. You're laying one brick at a time. And the best part? You can start with just a few hours a week. Actionable steps. Now, let's break it down into 3 simple steps you can start today. Step 1. Find your niche. Start by asking yourself, what am I good at? What do I enjoy? Whether it's writing, graphic design, teaching, or even just organizing stuff, there's a market for it. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Etsy are great places to start. Step 2. Start small. Don't try to do everything at once. Pick one skill or product and focus on it. For example, if you're good at writing, offer blog post services. If you're crafty, sell handmade items on Etsy. The key is to start small and scale up as you gain confidence. Step 3. Automate and optimize. Use free tools like Canva for design, Buffer for social media scheduling, or Grammarly for editing. These life hacks will save you time and help you look professional without spending a dime. Call to action. Your mission today? Pick one of these steps and take action. Sign up for a platform, list your first service, or create a simple product. And let me know in the comments what you're going to try. I'll be cheering you on. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on how to level up your life and income.